Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful flower motif titled Cone Flower Motif. It is in the series of granny squares, and this particular motif can be made into any larger size that you like. Fine, and for this particular motif I have used Aran Pearl and Aran Cyan Green for 2 color changes. I shall be going into the video right now. Make a magic ring or magic circle, secure with a loop. Don't consider this as any stitch. Now place 12 single crochets in the magic ring. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So pull the magic ring, not too tight at the same time not too loose also, just enough so that you have a small hole in the center. Now slip stitch and join to the very first single crochet that you have done here. For round 2, chain 15, slip stitch to the next single crochet. So continue the round, chain 15, slip stitch to the single crochet. So you have to do it 11 times. Make 11 more times and get back. I shall also make 11 more times and get back to you. So at the end we will have 15 chains into 12 loops. So there will be 12 loops of 15 chains. So now take the second color, slip stitch and join to the first and fasten off. I did that and I have hidden the yarn too. Now take the second color, make a slip knot or directly join to any chain 15 loop with a slip stitch and make a single crochet in the same chain. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 15 loop, chain 4, one cluster in the next single in 15 chain loop. Cluster is yarn over, insert hook, drop a loop, incomplete double crochet, 3 DC cluster, let me pull out some yarn and keep. It's better to have a 20 to 25 meter of yarn unraveled and kept. Chain 4, another cluster in the same 15 chain loop, so this is one corner actually, one corner made, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 15 loops. So in 2 chain 15 loops you will have single crochets, in the third you will have a cluster, chain 4 cluster. Again in 2 you will have single crochet separated by 4 chains. Again you are going to make 4 corners here. So in every third 15 chain loop you are going to have a cluster and make the corner. So follow this pattern, complete. I should also complete and get back. So I've completed this round. I have made 4 corners, cluster stitch corners, and in between we have the Cs here and the chain 15. So totally we'll have 16 numbers of chain 4 spaces when we complete this round. This is the last chain 4. Slip stitch and join to the first single crochet here, and slip stitch into the next chain space for the next round, 4th round. You can chain 3 or make chain 2, and a cluster here we need to make. So 3 DC cluster, chain 4, single crochet in the next, chain 4, cluster, chain 4 cluster in this corner, cluster, chain 4, cluster, sorry, it's not come out well. First incomplete double crochet, second incomplete double, third incomplete double, and now complete the cluster. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 4, cluster in the next chain 4 space, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 4 space. So the pattern repeat is, you'll have cluster, chain 4 cluster in the corners, then single crochet in the next chain space, cluster in the next chain space separated by 4 chains, again 4 chain, single crochet in the next chain 4 space here, and then the corner. Continue this pattern all around. I shall meet you at the beginning of this round. You come to the end of this round here, chain 4, slip stitch to the first cluster, you can do invisible slip stitch too if you're winding it off. So pick up the loop from behind, and make a knot. So there we go. Here we go with the cone flower. This we can make it to any larger size. The repetition is the same. After the corner clusters and before the corner cluster you have a single crochet in the chain 4, and in rest of the places you will have the cluster in the chain 4 spaces. That is the only repeat, and corners will always have cluster, chain 4 cluster. So this you can make it to any larger size that you want, and you can make summer variables, you can make small motifs. If you crochet with very thin yarn, it becomes decorative motifs for your wearables and projects. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do comment and do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified of all the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.